Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how crystals normally show the pattern of their atomic structure in their shape. Here are all the ones we're going to be looking at today. Okay, so as you can see with salt, it's got lots of small cubes, and if you can't see that, just imagine salt on chips or anything really. You know that it's lots of small cubes, which you can see in here, which is a model of what it would look like if we had a microscope. This is sodium and this is chloride, which are the two atoms that make it up. And yeah, it's lots of small cubes. Okay, here you can see some quartz that we've got, and it's just a column that way. But if you look this way, you can see that it is a hexagon. And we can see this reflected in its atomic structure, where it's a tall column and it has lots of different little hexagons on the inside, if you can see them. So yeah, that is quartz. Here we have some mica, which you can see is very flaky. It occurs naturally like that in sheets, and you can see that here as well, how if you look down the middle, we've got this sheet, these two sheets here, and another sheet down here, and it's very flat and rectangle-like, just like this one. So as you can see, we have some fool's gold here. This one is made up of lots of tiny little crystals, as you can see, that are clumped together. But here we have two perfect crystals, which have formed perfect cube rectangular prism things. And as you can see, with this model of the atomic structure, it is also a cube. And it's made up of iron and sulfur, but as you can see, there is no gold in this. Hint, that's why it's called fool's gold. So here we have lots of tiny little diamond crystals. Don't know if you can see them very well, but if you know what a diamond looks like, you know that it's normally a kind of a triangular shape. Well, here we have a model of a diamond, and as you can see, it's very triangular. And it's made up of carbon, which is what this is, and this is what a diamond looks like at an atomic scale. Here we have some rutile. As you can see, it's a long, thin kind of column. You can see that in here as well, in this piece of quartz, there's lots of tiny streaks of rutile. This is where it's most commonly found. And it would probably look something like this if we had a microscope. Here we have the atomic structure of rutile. And as you can see, it is again a long, thin column. There's one more crystal to see before the end of this video. And if you live in a colder climate, you'd probably see this a lot. And that, of course, is ice. This ice is in the form of a snowflake. And as you can see, we have all of the little water molecules here. And they're in a hexagonal shape, just like water is.